Well, it was the first day of Mankind Pharma on Dalal Street, and given the solid response onto this particular IPO, we have seen a bumper listing onto the bourses for Mankind Pharma, wherein Mankind Pharma stock listed at a premium of 20%, and since that the stock did only build up to its gain, ending the day with a gains of around 30% odd. With an issue price of 1080, the stock was listed close to around 1300 of rupees, and even after that the stock gained around another 10%. So that was Mankind Pharma superb listing onto the exchanges, and the response for the IPO was actually stellar with a subscription of over 15 times. And because of that, with the market momentum and the management commentary that we're going to be telling you, we have seen such kind of gains coming up because Mankind Pharma has a domestic focus. It drives around 97% of its overall revenue from the Indian markets. It has lot many brands in the acute, chronic as well as onto the consumer side of the business, wherein going ahead the company says that the focus will be on the chronic as well as the consumer space. If we talk about the financial performance of the company, that has been in double digits for the past 3 to 5 years, and not just that, with such kind of a listing and a response, when we see Mankind Pharma's overall market cap, then this particular company has now become the 5th largest in terms of the market cap, with a market cap around 57,045 crores for Mankind Pharma after the ending the day on the Dalal Street. And if we see, then Sun Pharma definitely leads the pharma pact in terms of the market cap. This is followed by Divi's Laboratories, Dr. Reddy's as well as Cipla, and then the 5th number stands for Mankind Pharma. What the management is highlighting, that they want to be domestically focused. The key focus will be on the Indian markets. There are so many robust plans to actually go ahead and expand in the international market. But on the contrary, segment wise, if we talk about, then the chronic and the consumer side of the business are expected to drive going ahead, where the focus will be on to get more share or the more portfolio contribution from these two particular divisions. So that was Mankind Pharma's bumper listing on the Dalal Street with 1080 of the issue price at the upper price band. The stock has already been given a return of 30% to all of its investors, ending the day with 1424 rupees onto the stock price on the day one. And if we talk about the valuations, so now the valuations are trading relatively expensive to what was the valuations at the issue price, because the stock got issued at around 29 odd multiples versus Nifty Pharma trading around 23 odd multiples on an average basis. But if we look about the valuations this time around, then they have definitely stretched higher with a multiple around 31 to 32 odd times, and that makes Mankind Pharma a bit expensive and relatively bit expensive when it comes to the comparison with the other names in the pharma space from the likes of Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's as well as Cipla, which trades around 20 to 24 odd multiples with a 1 year forward blended PE multiple. So a bit of an expensive valuations now that have become for Mankind Pharma, but nevertheless, given the strong management commentary, the strong brands in the domestic markets, and the strong focus of the management to expand more in the domestic markets as well, Mankind Pharma definitely got a thumbs up from all its investors and the Dalal Street.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.